Hey guys, welcome to Versatile Cubing. This is Nagesh. In this video, I'll be teaching you the OLL. So in here, you have this kind of shape which looks like an M or a W because M is the inverted W. So to solve this case, you have to keep the shape in such a way that the yellow which you have here, the corner which is oriented with the edge, should be kept on the right hand side. So the formula goes like this, that is R U R prime U R U prime R prime U prime R prime F R F prime. So that is the formula. So similarly you will be getting the mirror image of it. So to solve this case, you just have to do this formula, that is L prime U prime L U prime L prime U L U L F prime L prime and F. So by applying that formula, you will be solving the yellow layer. So thank you guys for watching the video. Hope you liked it. Please subscribe to my channel. This is Versatile Cubing signing off.